And these.
What are those?
I don't know.
They're marshmallow sugary things.
See the man? I got some these. Oh yay, baby! What are these? What are these?
Those are chocolate marshmallow bunnies.
Hey, chocolate marshmallows. That's marshmallow bunnies. Here's another one. And
Keep going. There's lots of goodies in there.
oh my God, something big.
What is that?
Real steel.
Real steel.
What are these? What are these? Hey, Kaylin, I got two. What's this?
It's Starburst, I think.
I love stars. Yay. And where are these? Yay. I got 3 of them.
Those are gummies.
Gummies. You're lucky. Yay. I got and try looking to these.
No, you're okay. You can eat those.
Yay.
You're not allergic.
Yay. Jelly bean.
Grandma did good. She didn't
My goodness.
What is that?
A bunny.
A big chocolate bunny.
Yeah. I like that. I'll eat some of these.
Right now? What?
I got this.
What is that, Kaylin?
Turkey's purse.
Let me see. Show it to me. Wow.
And the end frozen.
What else is in there, Kaylin?
Another one. I got this. I'll take that now.
Hold on. You got some more stuff in there.
Just a Starburst one.
No, I think there's some.
Starburst.
I think there's something else in there, Kaylin.
Starburst.
Yeah, what else is in there?
Starburst.
Wow, you got a lot of candy, guys.
Starburst. Starburst. I got a lot of candy.
Jacob, did you get a lot of Starburst? Kaylin, what's in the very bottom?
Clothes.
What? Let me see.
Clothes?
Pull them out.
Clothes.
Pull them out.
But I got pull the candy out. Oh, I didn't get any clothes.
That's okay. I bet the Easter Bunny will bring you some clothes.
I dropped one.
That's okay, Kaylin. Pick it. Hold on. Let's have breakfast first, and then you can have some.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No, I would too.
Kaylin, let me see what clothes you got. Pull them all out. Hold on just a minute. Just a minute. Help her. Pull it out, Kaylin.
I'll get the purple one.
Show me your dress that you got. You got a pretty dress. Not that one, silly. That's pretty too, but look at the one that Jacob has.
Wow.
Let me see. Ooh, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Is there anything else in there, Kaylin?
No.
Yeah, there is.
Can I do this?
Yes, show me what else you have in there.
Can I do this?
Just a minute, Jacob.
Ooh,
What?
I got another dress.
Let me see. What is
I
that?
don't know. She's got that one.
That's a sweater.
This is a little. And this was.
Hey, can you guys say thank you to Grandpa and Grandma?
Thank you, Grandpa and Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa and Grandma.
Say Happy Easter.
Easter.